start. It's on now. Hello, Vince. This is Ove from Denmark, visiting your friends in the Philippines. We're going on a little trekking trip into Mount Pulag tomorrow. I hope I will meet you one day, and I hope your daughter will have a very nice birthday. That's it.
Papalit ka sa akin. Silver ako? Silver package. Ay, ako sa baba ng mga kwento eh. Si Joy Chu sabi naman ako, silver package. Ano ba yan? Sabi mo kong game na. Sige, papalit ka sa mga Barbie! Hi, Vince! Happy birthday! Kasan mo na lang ako tomorrow. Oo. Ay, sino? Tama si Bermoy. Happy birthday! Hi, Vincent. Happy birthday. Hi, Vince. Maligayang kaarawan from Manila. Hi, Vince Kengkoy. Happy birthday. Manila. Ikaw naman. Hi, Vince. I'm busy. Happy birthday. Mag-share rin, sali mo rin siya.
Mahaba na nga speech siya eh.
Sabay-sabay tayo na. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Vince! Ano, Vincent?